Guess what we're doing? Eyebrows!
There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. It's possible she wants you to. There's one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look at that boy, too shy. He ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? It's a shame, too bad. He's gonna miss the girl. Now's your moment, floating in a blue lagoon. Boy, you better do it soon. No time will be better. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't be scared. You got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't stop now. Don't try to hide it. How you wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, float along. Listen to the song. The song say kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, music play to what the music say. Go on and kiss the girl.
It's all fun and games until somebody loses a gill. Flounder, I'm fine. I'm not drunk. What are you talking about? I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.